This is Aksa Kalhodo. I am a psychologist and working as a lecturer psychology at People's University of Medical and Health Sciences for Women Nawab Shah since 2017. So you can see I have done an article on students of Sindh, especially the universities enrolled students of Sindh. So here is a title, and what next is a table of contents and coming towards the main introduction. So here you can see the introduction. I have done my article on the loneliness and the social support and the gender differences among the students of university. So first of all, I'm gonna explain the term loneliness, that it is a negative emotional state that occurs when there is a discrepancy between the desired and achieved pattern of social interaction. It is also a universal human emotion that is both complex and unique to each individual. In order to understand loneliness, it is important to take a closer at exactly what we mean by the term lonely. Most of the time, I have been teaching in different universities, so most of the time many students, when they come to know that I am a psychologist, they come to me for counseling sessions and to like for their mental health. और उनकी एक ही टर्म होती थी कि मैं कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ या कहना चाहती हूँ, लेकिन कोई है नहीं मुझे सुनने के लिए, कोई मुझे सुनता नहीं है, किसी से मैं बात करना चाहता हूँ, किसी के पास टाइम नहीं है. सो देन आई कम टू नो कि देयर इज़ a little bit or a more complex loneliness among such students. So I decided for this research work, and the results were also shocking for me. So coming next for my next slide, I have added some introduction and some literatures in those slides. I want to read. Loneliness is a terrible condition that exists when an individual's surrounding of social connection is inadequate in some significant way. This condition is also critical in light of the fact it has been related with an assortment of medical conditions, also alcohol addiction. No doubt, if there's a consistent loneliness, most of the patients, most of the clients are going towards the mental illnesses like in depression and anxiety and all such things. It is also it is an unavoidable issue among people with a strong need of social help, both mental and physical well-beings. No doubt, if a person is going in a long way of loneliness, then they are acquiring the mental health issues, and we could all know that most of the people who are having mental health issues, they all acquired some physical health concerns as well. So there's a literature review, and I have found many articles on this area, but not in Pakistan. Like most of the articles were from the other than Pakistan. So there is a line which I've highlighted that according to Wang et al., the greater the loneliness predicts poorer depression outcomes, and in the end, there is another study which have proved that depression is a critical issue, especially for those who have low social support. So it reflects that the people are having low social support, they are somehow a lot of lonely, they are feeling loneliness, and they acquire depression and other mental health issues. So coming towards the methodology I have used in my article, when I found that there are many students are suffering with such issues, तो मेरे माइंड में एक ख्याल आया कि क्यों ना ये जो हमारे पास बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स आ रहे हैं और उनका एक ही है कि मेरे पास कोई सुनने के लिए नहीं है, कोई है नहीं जो मुझे सुन रहा हो, तो क्यों ना इस पूरे फ्रेमवर्क को मैं एक रिसर्च का एक फ्रेमवर्क दे दूं और मेरे पास एक साइंटिफिक एक प्रूफ भी आ जाए, साइंटिफिकली वो चीज़ें प्रूफ भी हो जाएं. तो आई कंडक्टेड दिस स्टडी, एंड द मेथडोलॉजीज आर, इट इज़ अ क्रॉस सेक्शनल स्टडी. Sample size was 145 of the students from different universities of Sindh province, and the inclusion and exclusion criteria are the enrolled students of the universities which was in province of Sindh, and the exclusion was there was few students which filled the forms. They were from other universities of the Sindh provinces, from other provinces. So I have excluded them from the study. And the detailed procedure, like it was an online Google form developed with certain demographics, and I have sent to them, they have filled all such things. And the results, like After correlational studies, after applying SPSS on them, I have found that the male students who have filled the data, who have filled the form, have good quality of social support. They have certain kind of loneliness, no doubt, but they have good social support of their friends, of their siblings, of their family as well. But when coming towards the women, I have found that there were very low social support. There were very low social support of family, of friends, of their siblings, of their partners as well. And for such reason, they were most lonely. They have shown a lot of loneliness and depressive symptoms. The results shows that there's a strong negative correlation between social support and loneliness. The results also indicates that female have more loneliness as compared to male, and male have more family support and friend support as compared to females. Hence, it was proved, I have also a hypothesis which was proved, that the low social support increases loneliness, which affects one's entire well-being. It's their mental health, also their physical health. In the last, there is discussion. So I would like to read the discussion. So this study provides a comprehensive review of literature of gender roles also, social support and loneliness among the students. Results reveals that in Sindh province there is low social support for female as compared
Ms.
to
Aksa, a bit louder.
Okay. So in last, I have added suggestions too for other psychiatrists and psychologists that they should study how the loneliness impact one's academic performance, and loneliness may cause for depression, and how loneliness and how social support gives a boost to other mental as well as physical health conditions. Thank you.